Yeah. It's probably going to be crazy. Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
I think beautiful. I don't know anything other than beautiful. She's going to look very radiant, I think. She's going to be very, very happy.
Definitely most looking forward to the partying. Absolutely gorgeous. I think most people guessed that.
I'm really looking forward to the speech that I'm going to give, and I hope the Llewellyn likes it.
The ceremony was absolutely special and I had to cry. My little girl got married.
Magical.
Sparkling. No matter what the problem is, it's always the two of you versus the problem. Start as a united front against whatever you have to and take it from there.
The wedding was very beautiful because it was just very emotional and the decoration was beautiful and I really loved it. It was very nice.
I'm excited to catch up with all the nieces and nephews and cousins to what they've been doing the past few years in America.
Hallo Ellie, ek is so bly om uiteindelik te kan sê dat ek is jou vrou. Daai is 'n crazy statement om te kan sê. Ek kan net nie wag nie. Ons het 'n leeftyd voor ons en ek is blessed om die lewe saam met jou te stap.
Hallo Anissa, beste dit was jy uitgekom met jou rok. Dit was regtig so mooi soos wat jy gesê het. In elke seisoen van my lewe is jy die beste deel. En ek is so opgewonde vir ons future saam, want ek weet dat maak nie saak hoe sleg of hoe goed dit gaan nie. Jy gaan definitief die beste deel wees van my lewe.